Today we will talk about lemongrass in detail. We'll talk about its water and sunlight requirements. We'll see how to propagate it and also we'll discuss its n number of health benefits. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Lemongrass. As the name suggests, it's a grass-like herb. It has citrus flavor and it smells like lemon. Lemongrass has several medicinal properties. You can use its leaves in cough, cold and fever as well, and that's the reason it's called as Fevergrass also. It's a very common herb which is grown in pots and containers in almost every house. Its tender shoots and leaves are consumed in many dishes. However, it's more popular among gardeners for its mosquito repellent properties. So lemongrass contains citronella, which is a plant oil. It has pest repelling properties, especially mosquitoes. Now let's talk about its water and sunlight requirements and how to propagate it. Lemongrass is very easy to grow plant. It can be grown in full sunlight to partial shade, but it loves lots and lots of moisture in soil. So make sure you water it regularly, because if you won't water it regularly, its leaves will shrink and it will dry up and it will look crisp. And you can easily grow this plant in pots and containers of almost any size. They're very easy to grow even in just garden soil also. You don't need to prepare any special potting mix. However, if you add some compost along with the garden soil, you'll see it flourishing more during summers and monsoon. But the plant goes dormant during winters. So during winters, you'll not see any new shoot or leaves growing into it. The plant will look dull and stunned. Now let's talk about how to propagate lemongrass. It's very easy plant to propagate from the root division method. All you need to do is take a shoot, just pull it off or divide it and just cut the foliage and grow it in any other pot or in ground, and many new shoots will keep coming. In fact, you can grow this plant from the store-bought lemongrass as well. Just put the stem in water for a couple of days, it will develop roots and then later you can shift it to the soil. And one very important thing about its propagation is you can grow this plant around the year. You don't need to wait for monsoon or spring season. You can do it any time of the year. As we discussed earlier, it has n number of properties. So lemongrass is antidepressant, antibacterial, it has antifungal properties, it has anti-cancerous, anti-inflammatory as well as antiseptic properties. It's a very good source of vitamin E and C. It has rich amount of folic acid into it, magnesium, copper, zinc, iron, calcium and potassium. So now we can say it's a herb that can change our life if we add it into our daily diet. Now if we talk about benefits of lemongrass, so we can say it's a insect or mosquito repellent plant. It controls cholesterol level, it cures cough, cold and flu, it reduces arthritis pain, it fights cancer. So many benefits from this herb. So it's a highly recommended herb to grow in pots and containers in your garden and take advantage out of it. Use it in your cooking, consume it on daily basis and see the magic. So that's it for today guys, and I will see you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.